Okay, so day 2 of the biking trip. We're now checking out of Rosie Hotel, which you will find a review on our channel. Here's Thorstein getting ready for his bike.
Alright, day 2.
Oh yes. So we stopped to check Google Maps regularly in case we should have made a wrong turn on the way. For Google Maps we use the biking option instead of car, which does not lead you to the highways where scooters are not allowed. If you cannot find this option on your Google Maps, we found that reinstalling the app did work. Hello. Off we go. We have a big outlet. So along the way, you can see here, there are these Vietnamese women selling potatoes, we think it is, in these conical hats, which really gives you a feeling of Vietnam.
Yeah. Alright, so we have driven for 30 minutes or so.
Yes.
We are 2 hours away from Halong Bay, but it will probably take us 3.
But now it's a straight way.
Yes.
We're out of this city.
Yeah. And we found a place with a lot of potatoes.
Yeah, a lot.
Alright. Wish us luck.
Biggest gas station ever. So here you can see some beautiful drone footage of Vietnam, which we filmed while filling gasoline. You'll find a lot of gas stations on the way to Halong.
Okay. About halfway.
There you go. Thorstein, you gotta get this.
Okay.
And also, there is the fancy toilet I will show you in another clip. Stay tuned.
Maybe.
So, out in the open in Vietnam, we have found this fancy toilet with self-flushing pissoirs and sensor wash. So we thought it was pretty cool that this old toilets had these fancy features. Ja, idag Okay, so on our way to Halong Bay, we have found this restaurant in a random place. And I've ordered, what is it, Thorstein?
Yogurt shake.
Oh yes. So this was a cozy place to sit down and get some food, but cannot recommend it as the bill was much higher than what the locals would pay. Let's get further.
And Jens with a GoPro bike. Probably the last stop, perhaps, and maybe one more before we reach Halong Bay.
About 30 kilometers left.
Yes.
Starting to see this Halong signs along the way.
Yes, and it's starting to smell more like the sea.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now we will go to the toilet and continue.
Mission accomplished. So I will try to review this toilet too, and we can maybe do a comparison with this and the other one. With this, the other one which was really fancy. Thorstein is satisfied.
Finally, only took us 3 hours.
On the other toilet, it was only this, this Asian toilets going down in the floor. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this toilet. But overall, I think the other one was a little bit better. As the other one had these sensor flushes, which here you have to press. Thank you. So as a bike, you don't have to pay at the toll station. You just keep yourself to the right lane and you'll drive through.
Today Jens has been filming so much that he needs to change the battery.
Gotta change the battery.
Yes. And we are finally technically in Halong Bay. After driving all day. See you later.
So the bikes down here are driving in what seems to be the sidewalks, but there aren't any people walking in these, so I guess it's okay. So here we are driving over the bridge to Halong. So entering into the city of Halong. As you may see, even down in this city, the traffic can be kinda intimidating if you're not used to it, as the traffic goes kind of all the ways or in all directions if you're not familiar with it. So finally, we arrive our hotel in Halong. The hotel included free parking, and as soon as we arrived, the receptionist came out and gave us a warm welcome. Very good first impression.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Fun.
We live in 5. Heading up to the room. So.
Och jag filmar du, eller vad är han?
Yes, I'm filming. That's why I'm English. Okay. So the room, I have learned to be quiet and getting in the hotels. Thorsten got mad at me. 506. There. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Da 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 da. Ba-da-ba-ba.
Can I have the car?
Wow, very nice. Yes.
Then you can keep filming.
Yeah. So let me get you guys from my chest. Just a quick film before we will review it further tomorrow.
Maybe this is all.
Maybe.
Depends on how tired we are.
It may be what you get, so soak it in.
And this is called the Halong Hotel. It's located over the bridge and like another 5 minutes in the middle of Halong Bay.
Yes.
We only paid under 500,000 Vietnamese.
Yeah, it's a really good price, I think.
Yes.
So if it delivers like this, it will be we will review it very good. And here is our view. So yeah, I guess you can get better than this, but it's nice. Construction over here. Maybe when you check into this hotel, this may be done, this building.
Come look, they have the nice bathroom as well.
Nice bathroom.
Yep, we have the huge shower.
Yeah, I showed them a little bit.
Oh, okay.
But look. Da, 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 da. Oh yes, it's this rain head.
Yeah.
Is that's the name? Isn't
Does it work? Rainfall?
Okay, well, you want to try? No, I do. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Finally one that works.
Alright, thanks for watching.
Peace.
Subscribe. Oh, that's sound.
Oh, we're standing in this element.
Getting my fix.
And also, something really cool we want to show you. So thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe as you don't miss out on new videos, and leave a like as that really helps us. And if you're wondering about something or have any suggestions, feel free to leave a comment.